ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय अजातशत्रु ब्राह्मण। Ajatashatru said that this Bhokta Vijnanamaya is getting the Swapiti Sanya. Swapiti Sanya, Swapiti is Subanta or Tinganta? Subanta. Subanta means this is the name of that Vijnanamaya. Swam apito bhavati. On that now there is further questioning. भाष्य पेज नंबर 459। यदा शरीर इंद्रिय अध्यक्षताम उत्सृजति तदा असौ स्वात्मनि वर्तते इति कथम अवगम्यते। यदा शरीर इंद्रिय अध्यक्षताम उत्सृजति कदा सुषुप्तौ। इन सुषुप्ति when sharira indriya adhyakshata, who has jiva vijnanamaya, he is presiding over all of them. When he gives it up, tada asau swatmani vartate iti katham avagamyate. Why do you say he has gone to one's own self? Maybe he is somewhere else. Nama prasiddhya. Answer is given because of the name. Nama prasiddhi. What is the nama? Swapiti nama. Kasau nama prasiddhi. Purvapakshi is asking, what is this nama prasiddhi? Ityaha tani vagadir vijnanani. In your book, vagadir or vagadini? Vagadini. Vagadehe vijnanani. Another reading is also there, Vagadini Vijnanani or Vagadehe Vijnanani. Both can be there. Yada yasmin kale grinhati adatte atha tada ha etat purushah swapiti nama. Yada yasmin kale Vagadini Vijnanani or Vagadehe Vijnanani Grinhati. So it takes all of that in one's own self. Atha, then tadaha etat purushah swapiti nama. Etat purushah swapiti nama. Tika vijnanani means tat sadhanani iti etat. Vijnana sadhanani. Purusha iti Vijnana sadhanani means
Vishayas.
See 9 number tippani. Swa Vishaya Prakasha Sadhana. Vishaya Jnanam will be there through that. So yada yasmin kale grinhati atha गृह्णाति आदते अथ तदा ह एतत् पुरुषः स्वपिति. इन टीका पुरुष इति प्रथमा षष्ठी अर्थे अतो वक्ष्यति अस्य पुरुषस्य. पुरुषः स्वपिति it is given, so you say this purusha is to be understood as षष्ठी. पुरुषस्य स्वपिति नाम. पुरुषस्य नाम स्वपिति. So purushasya nama swapiti means purusha is swapiti, but swapiti is sanya here. एतन नाम अस्य पुरुषस्य तदा प्रसिद्धं भवति. गौणम एव अस्य नाम भवति. स्वम एव आत्मानम अपि इति अपि गच्छति इति स्वपिति इति उच्यते. एतन नाम अस्य पुरुषस्य, this name of this purusha, तदा प्रसिद्धं भवति. गौणम एव अस्य नाम भवति. One number tippani. I think in your book it says 4, right? 4 is 1. Yaugikam na rudham. Gaunam is Yaugika nama. So this Swapiti is Yaugika nama. It is not Rudha. Yaugika means with some Vyutpatti, etc., it is coined. It is created. Rudha, what is Rudha nama? You don't need any Vyutpatti, etc. there. For example, Surya. Surya doesn't need any Vyutpatti. So Pushan, yes, some Vyutpatti will be there. Pushnati iti Pushan, etc. Or Hamsaha, Hanti iti Hamsaha, Hanti Gacchati iti Hamsaha. In this way. So sometimes some Vyutpatyatmaka meaning will be there, but it may not be popular, prasiddha. Surya is so prasiddha. If you tell Surya is Hamsaha, nobody will know. So there could be some Vyutpatti is ready to tell. तदा प्रसिद्धं भवति. गौणम एव अस्य नाम भवति. Swam, so swapiti means swam apiti. Api means gacchati. Swam eva atmanam. Swam means atmanam. Api, apiti means api gacchati. Because it is swam apito bhavati. Itaha means gataha. Apitaha. So apitaha means api gacchati. That is swapiti. Iti uchyate. Tika. Gauna nama they have given drashtanta. Ashvakarnadi namno vishesham aha. Gaunam eva iti. Let's say there is somebody whose name is Ashvakarna. Some father may have somebody's name Ashvakarna. I have heard somebody's name Tadit. Tadit means lightning. Tadit means lightning. Matlab that Father must be thinking my child is like lightning. It's possible. Ashwakarna. Gokarna, this is common name. It means it we have heard. Like that somebody could be Ashwakarna. Ashwakarnadi namno visheshamah. Gaunam eva. Gaunatva vyutpadayati. So what is this? व्युत्पत्त्यर्थ और यौगिक अर्थ स्वम एव आत्मानम अपि गच्छति. नामनो अर्थ व्यभिचारस्यापि दृष्टत्वात्. पूर्वपक्षी saying now. See, what was the question? Question was, when this Vijnanamaya has withdrawn from the Indriya Vyavahara, Indriya Jnanam, and has become one with, or in Sushupti, where it has gone, it has become one with Atma. Purvapakshi said, why do you say it has gone to Atma? Maybe it is somewhere else. You say, no, because there is the name, Swapiti. Swapiti name was explained. Purvapakshi said, but in the name, there could be Vyabhichara. Somebody's name can be something and there cannot be anything of that. Like, for example, Lakshmi. They always give this Drashtanta. But let us give some other name. Somebody's name is Hari, let us say. He is not, he doesn't have any Lakshana of Paramatma. Padmalochana. Padmalochana may be, they might be wearing glasses which are like Padma, because otherwise they can't see anything. So there could be Vyabhichara in the name. Namno artha Vyabhicharasyapi drashtatvat. Tadvashat swape swarupa avasthanam iti shankam anudya तद्गृहीत एव इत्यादि वाक्यम उत्थाप्य व्याचष्टे. व्यभिचार दृष्टत्वात् न तद्वशात् स्वापे स्वरूप अवस्थानम. दिस इज द शंका. इन सुषुप्ति स्वरूप अवस्थानम इज नॉट देयर इति शंकाम अनुद्य तद्गृहीत एव इत्यादि वाक्यम उत्थाप्य. तद्गृहीत, because he is, this is the next part of the vakya. So grana and all the other vag indriya etc., they all have become one with it. In bhashya, satyam swapiti iti nama prasiddhya atmanah samsara dharma vilakshanam रूपम अवगम्यते न तु अत्र युक्तिः अस्ति इति आशंक्याः, नॉट ईशंक्याः, आशंक्याः. स्वपिति इति नाम प्रसिद्ध्या आत्मनः संसार धर्म विलक्षणम रूपम अवगम्यते. In Swapiti, what is shown is that there is no samsara. Atmanah samsara dharma vilakshanam rupam. Natu atra yukti hi asti. Purvapakshi says, but there is no yukti here. Iti ashankyaha. Tat tatra swapakale grihita eva prano bhavati. In the swapakala, grihita eva prana. Prana means grana. Prana iti granendriyam. Bhagadi prakaranat. Grihita grana means at that time the granendriya is not available for vyavahara. It is taken away. That is the meaning of grihita. So prana, in many places it is grana, because the prakarana is of indriya. Vagadi prakranat. टीका का पुनरात्मनः स्वापावस्थायाम् असंसारी स्वरूपे अवस्थानम् इति अत्र युक्तिः इह उक्ता भवति तत्र आह का पुनः आत्मनः स्वापावस्थायाम् in the sushupti अवस्था samsari asamsari swarupe avasthanam. In that, what is the yukti? That now he is asamsari in sushupti. Iti atra yukti hi iha ukta bhavati tatra aha. So he is going to show now anvaya vyatireka. When vagadi sambandha is there, samsara is there. Vagadi sambandha is not, samsara is not. Therefore, Vagadi sambandha abhava is there in Sushupti, that is asamsari swarupa. In Bhashya, Vagadi sambandhe hi sati tad upadhitvat asya samsara dharmitvam. Vagadi sambandhe sati asya samsara dharmitvam. They are the upadhis. Lakshate. Vagadayascha upasamhrita eva tada tena. Vagadayascha upasamhrita eva tada. Tada tika. Sushupti avasthayam. Then tena means atmana, chaitanya abhasena hetuna ityartha. So here, by chaitanya abhasa means chidabhasa, jiva, that in sushupti avastha, vagadis are upasamhrita, they are all withdrawn. So then they are not available for any vijnanam. Ityartha. Tika further, swape karanopasamharam vivranoti. In Sushupti, Karana Upasamhara is explained. Katham ityadina. Katham in Bhashya, Grihita Vak, Grihitam Chakshur, Grihitam Shrotram, Grihitam Manaha. All of them are Grihita. Grihita means Leena. They are taken away actually. That is the meaning of Grihita. This is called Sushupti. Tad Upasamhara Phalam Kathayati. So, the final Upasamhara Phalam is Tasmat Upasamhriteshu Vagadishu Kriya Karaka Phalatmata Abhavat Swatmastha Eva Atma Bhavati Iti Avagamyate. Tasmad Upasamhriteshu Vagadishu. All these Vagadis which are Upasamhrita Kriya Karaka Phalatmata Abhavat. Kriya Karaka Phalatmata Bhavat. Abhavat, we have to understand. Swatmastha eva Atma Bhavati iti avagamyate. Andakar you can put there. In Sushupti, Kriya Karaka Phalatmaka Vyavahara is not there. Like this morning, let's say when you woke up, and if you had the thought that I had gone to Brahma and I came out from Brahma, right? That is the prakaranam, that I had gone there, I came out. Or at least some time after we wake up, that this chintanam comes. So that reminds me that I had gone to my Swarupa, and now I am च्युत. I am not in my Swarupa. When I am doing Indriya Vyavahara, Kriya Karaka Phalatmaka Vyavahara, this is not who I am. And in Sushupti, Avidya is there. With Avidya, that Chaitanya is present. This is my Jivanam. This is my life. Or you just do Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, that these avasthas come and go. I am different from them. So this Chintanam, as it goes on, it will help me in removing Pratibandha. Pratibandha is too much identification with Upadhi, Vagadi, Dehadi, etc. Somehow I have to reduce this. How will I reduce? By doing the right Chintanam. This is Viparita Chintanam which has taken me here. I have to do reverse Chintanam, the actual. Swatmastha eva atma bhavati iti avagamyate. So it is understood that at that time, Atma is Swatmastha eva. 17th mantra is over. Further, Anvay Vyatireka Bhyam Vagadi Upadikam Atmanah Samsaritvam Uktam. So you see now, Anand Giriji makes whatever is loose ends or whatever we don't get it. He says Anvay Vyatireka is shown. What? That Vagadi Upadikam Atmanah Samsaritvam. When these Upadis are there, their Vyavahara will make this Jivatma or Vijnanamaya Samsari. Tatra Vyatireka Asiddhim Ashankate. Purvapakshi says Vyatireka Siddhi is not there. Vyatireka, what will be the nature of Vyatireka? Yatra yatra Vagadi Upadikam Vagadi Upadinam Abhavaha Tatra tatra Sansaritva Abhava. Vagadi Upadhi Vyavahara Sattve Samsara Sattva. Vagadi Upadhi Vyavahara Bhave Samsara Bhava. Purvapakshi is questioning that now. Vyatireka Asiddhi. Vyatireka Asiddhi means Vyatireka Vyabhichara. In Vyatirek, he is showing some Vyabhichara that this is not right. Even when Vagadi Upadhis are not there, Samsaritvam could be there. Bhashya. Nanu Darshana Lakshanayam Swapnavasthayam Karya Karana Viyoge Api Samsara Dharmitvam Asya Drishyate. See, this is called Vyatirek Vyabhichara. Then Darshana, now 4 and 5 number Tippani should be on Swapnavasthayam, not on Darshana Lakshanayam. Darshana Lakshanayam is 4, Swapnavasthayam is 5. Darshana Lakshanayam means Jagrat is eliminated and Swapnavastha means Sushupti is eliminated. That's how it is given in Tippani. Correct? Vasana Prayukta Jnana Adhikarana Rupayam. So Jagrat Vyavritti has happened. This is called Darshana Lakshanaya. And Swapnavasthayam means no Sushupti also. Karya Karana Viyoge Api. There is no Karya Karana. Means Upadhi Sambandha is not there in Swapna. Still Sansara Dharmitva is there. Drishyate. Yathacha Jagarite Sukhi Dukhi Bandhaviyuktaha Shochati Mohyate cha. Just as in Jagrat, Sukhi, Dukhi, Bandhu Viyuktaha. Not Bandhavyukta. Bandhavyukta also you can say. In Swapna, I think I am Mukta. Yatha cha Jagarite, Bandhavyukta, somebody may think I don't have bondage. Like that it can happen. Shochati Muhyate cha, he grieves, he is deluded. Tika. Vyatireka asiddhau phalitam aha. So what is the result if you can prove Vyatireka asiddhi? Tasmat Shoka moha dharmavan eva ayam. Purva Paksha says, therefore, it has nothing to do with Upadhi Dharma. See, in Swapna, Upadhis are not there, still he is Sukhi, Dukhi, Shoka, Mohavan. Therefore, this is his nature. Shoka, Moha, Dharmavan, eva ayam. Na asya Shoka, Mohadaya. Sukha, Dukkadayascha. What is the difference in this Vakya? Na asya, acha, let me finish then at least. Na asya Shoka, Mohadaya. Sukha dukkadayascha कार्य करण संयोग जनित भ्रांत्या अध्यारोपिता इति. They are not just superimposed because of Bhranti. Actually, he is Shoka Moha Dharmavan. Actually, he is Dukhi. Purvabakshi is saying this. In other words, Jiva Samsara is real. You don't go on saying this samsara is mithya and therefore what is there, what nothing. You don't worry. Anybody comes with some problem, Arey, this is mithya samsara. No, it is there. Or this is one way. Differently, if you want to say that Jiva is Brahma Swarupa and in that this samsara is only Bhranti. Is not true. In this Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Mimamsakas, other darshanas like Jaina, etc., they all, what do they say? Jiva's problems are actual. In Atma, Shoka, Moha, Sukha, Dukha, everything is there. They are not in Antakarana and that Antakarana is Mithya and all that. They are in Atma. They are not Karya Karana Sanyoga Janita Bhrantya Adhyaropita. And therefore, your sadhanam will be some karma and upasana. Your sadhanam will not be jnanam, because jnanam will be your sadhana only when you understand in Atma, this is not there. It is like, let's say something, some light show is going on, and in my room, there is a shape of some animal. The light appears, just light is there. If I don't understand that this is there because of some Bhranti, I will be frightened. I will take a stick and I will, on that shadow, some light shadow is there, I will go on doing it. Well, what will happen? Nothing is going to happen. This is what we try to do. Until we understand this is Bhranti and you cannot do anything, just leave it. Bhranti adhyaropita iti. Siddhanti says, na atmanaha samsaritvam. Iti uttaramaha na. Mrishatvat swapnasya. That swapna is mithya. Whatever happens in swapna, don't consider it as satyam. Tad upapadayan adau sa yatra ityadini aksharani yojayati. Now, to do this upapadanam, that swapna is mrisha, therefore, swapna kala, all the vyavahara or samsara is also mithya. To do that, upapatti, upapadayan, adau, first, now we see the mantra. So, all this was introduction to the mantra 18. Huh? स यत्र एतत् स्वप्न्यया चरति ते हास्यलोकास्तदुतेव महाराजो भवत्युतेव महाब्राह्मण उतेव उच्चावचम निगच्छति स यथा महाराजो जानपदान् गृहीत्वा स्वे जनपदे यथा कामं परिवर्तेत एवमेवैष एतत् प्राणान् गृहीत्वा स्वे शरीरे यथा कामं परिवर्तते। स यत्र एतत् स्वप्नया चरति, स्वप्नया मीन्स स्वप्नया, but स्वप्नया is given. It is given in Tippani 1. एतद् इति क्रिया विशेषणम विप्रकृष्ट व्यावृत्तये, on एतत् शब्द यत्र एतत्, हाँ, स्वप्नया चरति. So एतत् क्रिया विशेषणम we saw yesterday. तेह अस्य लोकाः तद उतेव महाराजो भवति. लोकाः means कर्म फलानि. All these karma phala, they are there in swapna, so he can become Maharaja. Maharaja has two meanings. Huh? One meaning of Maharaja is king. Another meaning of Maharaja is a great Mahatma of Himalaya like Maharaj, Maharajji, Mahamandaleshwar, etc. They are addressed as Maharaj because they have actually controlled their mind and senses. So they are Maharaja. Arajo Bhavati. Uta eva, Uta eva Mahabrahmana, or he is like a Mahabrahmana, means Pandita. Uta eva Uchchavacham, or some Ucha, some greater Devata, etc., or Avacham, Pashuadi, Nigachati. Sayatha Maharajo, and then just as a Maharaja, king, Janapadan Grihitva, he takes his people, or like a great Mahatma, Mahamandaleshwar goes with his Shishya somewhere. Grihitva, Swe Janapade, Yatha Kamam Parivarteta, in his own land, in his own country, he moves around, Yatha Kamam, Yathecha Parivarteta. Evameva Esha Etat Pranan Grihitva. In the same way, this Jiva, Etan Pranan Bahuvachanam, all Indriyani. Grihitva, Swe Sharire Yatha Kamam Parivartate. Grihitva means making all of them lean. In Swapna, Indriyas are not there. Only projected Indriyas are there. And then he does Vyavahara. Yatha Kamam Parivartate. Tika. अथ अत्र स्वप्न स्वभावो निर्दिश्यते न तस्य मिथ्यात्वं कथ्यते तत्राह. अथ अत्र स्वप्न स्वभावो निर्दिश्यते. Here, what is this स्वप्न स्वभाव? What is the nature of स्वप्न? न तस्य मिथ्यात्वं कथ्यते. Its मिथ्यात्वं is not being said tatraha mrisha eva. This is called mithya in Bhashya. स प्रकृत आत्मा यत्र यस्मिन् काले दर्शन लक्षण दर्शन लक्षणया स्वप्नया स्वप्नवृत्त्या चरति वर्तते तदा देह अस्य लोकाः कर्मफलानि. This prakrita atma means the one whose prakranam is going on, that prakrita atma. यत्र यस्मिन् काले दर्शन लक्षणया स्वप्नया स्वप्नवृत्त्या, स्वप्नया मीन्स स्वप्नवृत्त्या, चरति वर्तते तदा देह अस्य लोकाः कर्मफलानि. Then at that time all these karma phalas are there. That karma phala is going to express. They'll give sukham if he has good karma phala. Otherwise in swapna also he'll be dukhi. केते तत् तत्र उत अपि महाराज इव भवति. There also he can be महाराज. सोयम महाराजत्वम इव अस्य लोको न महाराजत्वम एव. Is like as if he is a maharaja. Maharajatvam iva asya loka. His karma phala is like maharaja. Not that he is maharaja. Na maharajatvam eva. Jagarita eva. Just like in Jagrat, how he is maharaja, one would be maharaja, not like that. It is as if. Why? Because when he wakes up, it is not available. Right? That is what is given in Tippani. It is not given, but you should understand. See second number Tippani. स्वप्नया इति काण्व शाखा पाठः. स्वप्न्यया इति माध्यन्दिन शाखा पाठः. स्वप्ने भवा स्वप्न्या तया इति आशयनाः स्वप्नवृत्त्या. स्वप्ने भवा स्वप्न्या. After स्वप्न्या something is there in the remove whatever is there. Hyphen is there. स्वप्ने भवा स्वप्न्या. So काण्व शाखा माध्यन्दिन शाखा पाठ है. Some variation would be there. तथा इन भाष्य महाब्राह्मण इव उत अपि उच्चावचम उच्चम च देवत्वादि अवचम च तिर्यक्त्वादि उच्चम इव अवचम इव च निगच्छति. Either he will be like a Mahabrahmana or any Uccha Devata like position or Pashwadi etc. Iva cha nigachati. मृषैव महाराजत्वादयो अस्य लोका इव शब्द प्रयोगात व्यभिचार दर्शनाच. And there in the mantra itself iva shabda is there. Therefore महाराजत्वादयो asya lokaha, this kind of karma phala that he has, all this is mrisha eva. Iva shabda prayogat. And vyabhichar is there. Why vyabhichara? When you wake up, it is nothing. No Maharaja, no sevaka, nothing. You are just by yourself. You have to do everything. स्वप्ने दृष्टानां महाराजत्वादीनां जागृति अनुवृत्ति राहित्यम व्यभिचार दर्शन. व्हाट इज व्यभिचार? दिस इज व्यभिचार. व्हाट इज सीन इन स्वप्न? स्वप्ने दृष्टानां महाराजत्वादीनां जागृति इन वेकिंग अनुवृत्ति राहित्यम. देयर इज नो अनुवृत्ति. दिस इज कॉल्ड व्यभिचार. स्वप्नस्य मिथ्यात्वे सिद्धम अर्थम आह. इफ स्वप्न इज मिथ्या, देन व्हाट इज द सिद्धम अर्थम? तस्मात् बंधु वियोग न बंधु वियोग. न बन्धुवियोगादि जनित शोक मोहादिभिः स्वप्ने संबध्यते एव. He does not get associated with those things what he experiences in swapna, like shoka moha bandhu yoga. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam सूत्रभाष्य कृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.